Hey, what's up everyone? My name is John Hoff and I'm doing this video and article for the Helium 10 blog. So I've got a question for you. You've run a promotion. You handed out coupon codes. But do you know how many people actually purchased using those coupon codes? Well, I'm going to show you in this video how you can find that information. I just finished up a promotion. I did 6 days for this particular promotion, and it was for a lower level keyword of my product, and we're here in Helium 10. So what I did is I went to Magnet, and from within Magnet I did a keyword research for my product, and I found one that basically shows about 7 units per day I should be selling in order to rank on the first page, and for that particular keyword, and the total promotional giveaways would be about 56, and that's over an 8-day period. And I did 6 days. It is a lower level keyword, and after 6 days basically I got to number 1 on that page. You can see the graph here where it kind of jumped up during my promotion. So I handed out coupon codes, and the coupon codes you can see right here. So Monday I handed out 15, Tuesday 15, Wednesday, and so on and so forth. Saturday I did 14. Okay, that's great. I handed out coupon codes. Well, how do I know how many people on Monday actually used it, or Tuesday, and so on and so forth? And then overall, I'm supposed to have 56 that I should be handing out for the total promotion. So how many did I actually hand out? Okay, so here's what you do. Head over to Amazon, go into Seller Central, and you're going to go to your promotions. And then once here, go to your manage promotions. Now I have an expired one that I'm going to show from this particular promotion that I just did. And I'll show you how I name these for the tracking. It's all about setting up the tracking code. Okay, so when you set up your promotion, give it an internal description, however it is that you want to say it. I mentioned mine is on Saturday, and the day of the promotion, the date, the percent off. This is just my way of doing it, but the tracking ID is very important. The tracking ID is going to be where you're going to match things up in an Excel file to know if they actually ended up using that coupon or not. So give your tracking ID something that is identifiable to you. And now, once your promotion is finished, then you can go to your reports, go to fulfillment, and from in the fulfillment area, you want to click on all orders, and we're going to download the report. So my particular promotion was from 6/25, so 6/25 until 6/30. So that's when my promotional dates were. And as you can see, I've already set that up for a download, so I didn't have to wait for it. Okay, so now after we hit the download button and we download the file, we're going to get a text file like this. So we're going to control copy all of that information, and from there we're going to open up an Excel file. Okay, and now we paste it all in. And you get something like this, which shows a bunch of sales and everything like that. But notice this. Now if we scroll all the way over, you're going to see your tracking codes. And these were the sales. Okay, so now we need to kind of clean this all up, because it's got a lot of information that maybe we don't necessarily want to see in here. So what I do is I set up a filter under data, go to filter, and we want to filter it by this promotions. Control A just to make sure we're doing right. There we go. Now filter it, and we want to, you click that little drop down thing right there. So do a text filter. You want to begin with, we're just going to begin with whatever your promotion ID is in there. So we'll just say HCH. And now it's filtered out the results to only show results that have resulted in sales with this particular coupon code in there. Okay, the next thing is to clean it up a little bit. So Control A, Control Copy. So I'm copying everything, and I'm going to put this in a new sheet. So Control V to paste it all over, and there we go. Okay, the order ID, now that's something normally I would keep on here. just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to delete that because I don't want to show any order IDs on video or anything like that. So let me just delete that out, but know that normally I would keep that in there. Okay, merchant ID and all that, I don't need that, so I can delete that out. And I'm going to keep the purchase date on there and take out some of this other stuff which I don't need. So I don't really need all this. I might keep the actually order status. So hang on a sec here, I'll delete that one. I'm going to keep the order status. Take these all out. And quantity, I can keep that. Don't need that. Delete those out, and I'll delete this stuff out here. Okay, so that's got it kind of whittled down a little bit, and I'll just maybe make this highlighted. Okay, so now I need to kind of sort this all out. I have a date and time, and you could just go straight from this list and see how many were handed out each day if that's what you wanted to do. But I want to clean this all up because I got like this time, date, and everything all kind of funky in there. So let's insert a couple columns. Okay, so I'm going to say date and the day. We're going to center these. And I want to show the date here and then a day because, you know, like I think about my promotion Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and those kind of things. I don't think about it in this kind of way. So the way that we get that date out of there is we're going to do a function in Excel, and we're going to count whatever is over here on the left up to 10 characters because that's what this date is. There's 4 there, a dash, a 0, 7, dash, 0, 1. That's a total of 10 characters. So in Excel, you can do equals left and select the cell, comma, how many characters you want it to count over, which in this case is 10. Now I've got the date. Now the date, although that's much more helpful than this over here, it's clearer to read. It's not really formatted with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And plus here in America, we usually do 7/1/2018. We don't do the date first. So I'm going to clean that up just a little bit more. And the way I can do that is equal date value. And the date value, select the cell you want it in, which is that one. Okay, now I got some number going on there. I'm going to right click, go to Format Cells, and we want the date. And you can see you can choose from whichever one that you want in here. Obviously that's the one I'm looking for. I'm going to hit OK, and there we go. This particular cell with this coupon code happened on Sunday. So let me just copy this all down real quick so we got them all listed out. There we go. Now it's kind of done reverse. Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday. I want to sort this so that Monday is on top because that's when I started the whole promotion and everything like that. So let's hit on data. We're going to sort. We're going to sort by day. And remember, that's the column up here, the day. And values oldest to newest. That should do it. And there we go. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then Sunday here, I don't remember now if I mentioned or not, but the Sunday ones, even though my promotion ended on Saturday, these were most likely sales that happened. My promotion ended on the West Coast at a certain time, so people in the East Coast probably claimed a coupon code and used them before that coupon code expired. Okay, so that's how that goes. Now I can cut this out and maybe put it over here somewhere where I don't really need to look at that kind of stuff anymore. And now I have my date, I have my day, and okay, so I could just count them all right here and perfect, we're done, right? Let me just add a couple other columns here. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to add a couple columns. I'm going to show you how I have it kind of cleaned up a little bit even more so that if I were to send this to someone, or if maybe you had an employee doing this and they sent you the file, you could just look at it and know right away how many you gave out for the week and all that kind of stuff. So let me pause the video. I'm going to add a couple columns here. I'll get right back. Okay, so I've created a few columns over here, which day, the number of coupons distributed, number used for the day, and then the total coupons used. And I left this one blank because I wanted to show you something real quick. So I know that, because I jotted it down real quick, right? These were the days that I handed out coupons. I did 15 on Monday, 15 on Tuesday, so on and so forth. So I just copied those straight here. Now, since the last formatting of a cell I did was this kind of formatting, then you might have a problem entering in something like 15. It says Sunday the 15th. Well, you don't want that, obviously. So if you see something like that end up happening, you just need to reformat the cell. So right click, go to format cells, and you want it to be general. Reset it. Now you can type 15 in there, just to show you that. Okay, so we have our days, and Saturday, by the way, you know, like I said, Sunday, I only ran the promotion through Saturday, and it ended Saturday night Pacific Coast time. So those, I'm sure, came from East Coast, and you could see that I used 12 on that day. So here's the number that were used for each of those particular days, and let's look at our total coupons used. So we're going to say equals sum of these right here. And those, by the way, you know, I got these numbers just by counting these days right here. Okay, total coupons used was 53. And if we look back, the total promotions that we should give away over the course of a week, Cerebro or Magnet in Helium-10 says that you should be about 56. And that's to get on the first page. Now, I ended up getting to number 1 for that particular product, and on average about 7 units per day. And you can see that I did something like that right there, and I gave away coupons to this many people, and this many people ended up using the coupons, 53. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can track the coupon codes that people, when they actually claim the coupon code. As you can see from here, not everyone actually ends up buying. So if you want to know how many people actually purchased, this is the way you do it. All right, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you later.